everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be my updated curly hair routine. A lot has changed. My hair length is much shorter now, my hair color has changed, and also my routine is a little bit different, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started. I have oiled my hair and kept it overnight, and I already have a detailed video about oiling, so if you're interested, I'll link it above. Today I'm gonna use and review Fix My Curls product for you folks. This is not a sponsored video, but the products were sent to me by the brand to test it out and post a review if I like it. I have been using these products since a good 7 to 8 months now, so it's gonna be a detailed review, okay? For shampoo, I'm using Squeaky. It's their cleansing shampoo with apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil and rosemary oil. ये almost खाली हो चुका है, सिर्फ इतना सा बाकी है. I like to take 2 pumps and massage it in nicely. First of all, I love how they have named their products. It gives such a nice touch. And Squeaky, as the name suggests, literally makes my scalp squeaky clean in a good way without drying it, which I love. After that, I like to use a shampoo brush to get a deeper cleanse. I cannot stress enough on how good this shampoo brush is. And I have used this ever since I bought it, so it's a great investment. This has definitely become my favorite sulfate-free shampoo, and I only have this much of the product left because I keep using it. It has a minty fragrance which I like. It's not too strong. Wash off the shampoo properly. I like to use this only once if I have not oiled my hair, and if I have oiled it, then I like to go with Evermore as my second cleanse, which is their everyday moisture shampoo, and this has mango butter, shea butter and neroli oil in it. This is not a shampoo, by the way, it's a co-wash. If you don't know what a co-wash is, then co-washing में you wash your hair as in cleanse it only with a conditioner. इसमें cleansing agents भी होते हैं but बहुत ही ज़्यादा mild होते हैं. I am not a big fan of this method. I don't do it. I like my scalp nice and clean because I wash it once or twice a week. So I like to use this product as my second cleanse on the days I have oiled my hair because it's more gentle and a moisturizing cleanser than Squeaky. With this, I don't like to use a shampoo brush. I just massage it in with my fingers and then rinse it out. For conditioner, I'm gonna use Mellow. It's the hydrating deep conditioner with honey, mango butter, goji berries and Nigella sativa seed oil. Again, this is also almost over because I love it so much. I like to take good 2 to 3 pumps of it. They named it very smartly as a deep conditioner because rich moisturizing conditioners are more or less like deep conditioners, but do I use it as a deep conditioner? No, I like to use it as a conditioner after cleanse. But let me tell you, this conditioner is absolutely amazing. It has a lotion-like consistency and it provides such good slip. Amazing for detangling your hair. I like to add a little bit of water and that just enhances the slip and makes it feel like seaweed. This product is exactly what curly girls love and prefer and has a good concentration of protein as well, which my hair loves. After detangling my hair, I like to leave the conditioner for a good 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse the conditioner off. Before going ahead with the styling part, I like to get rid of the excess water. This is definitely something I've started doing recently, but I like the results I get, especially with Fix My Curls styling product, as they are super lightweight. Just gently squeeze the excess water out, and next I'm gonna use Stay. It's their leave-in cream with jojoba seed extract and Nigella sativa seed oil. I like to use 3 to 4 pumps of this product and rake it in. Make sure that all the hair strands are coated nicely. And as the name suggests, it's a leave-in cream, so please do not rinse it out. Just a side note, if you're using Stay or Glaze for the first time, then it can be a little tricky because the product is very lightweight. You may end up using a lot more than you actually need and it will weigh down your hair. So start with 3 to 4 pumps first. I actually like that the consistency is lightweight because when my hair dries, it dries soft and fluffy and voluminous, which I absolutely love. And also girls with thin, fine hair can enjoy it as well because of the lightweight consistency. Slip is not great, but it works on already detangled hair. Next, I like to use Denman brush to style and define my curls. I like to section my hair and then take 1 to 2 inch thick section and comb it with the Denman brush. going outwards at first and then twist your hair inwards. It's difficult to explain, but you'll be able to see it in the video. Once that is done, hold your hair strand and shake it. You will see a beautiful curl forming. How cool is that? And then scrunch it a few times. That's it. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing all over. जो styling method मैं पहले use करती थी, that was not working on my short hair. I mean, it was working, but I wasn't getting the result I was expecting. So this method really helped me with the definition and volume. A lot of people think products पे सब depend करता है, but the method you choose to style your hair is so freaking important. That will literally decide how your hair will turn out once it's dry. So 70% of it depends on the styling part and 30% is your product. So whatever product you like on your hair and that works for you, use it. But experiment with the quantity of the product and method you use to get the best result. Please do not skip on the styling part. Once I reach the crown section, I like to brush it up and backwards for more volume. Okay, the front part, I like to finger coil this section. Just take a small section and twist it tight and then scrunch it. I tried using 10 min before, but it didn't work for my front section, so I like to finger coil it. Once that is done, next I'm gonna use glaze. It's the hair defining gel with sunflower oil, soy protein and vanilla bean extract. I like to take good 2 to 3 pumps and slightly touch my hair using praying hand methods and then scrunch it in. I do not rake this in, just slightly touch it and give it a good scrunch. Now the next step is optional, but I like to do it. Just put your fingers near the scalp and shake your hair. This will separate few clumped curls and then scrunch again. My hair curls really well, so this method adds more volume to it. But if your hair struggles to curl, then don't do it. Use a soft t-shirt to squeeze out the excess water and scrunch with the t-shirt as well, and then put it in a turban. Last step is to cleanse your face. After all the styling part, you don't want your hair products sitting on your face. Trust me, not a good idea. I had pimples on my cheek and forehead because of this, and just cleaning and cleansing your face after everything will save you a lot of headache. For face wash, I am using Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This cleanser is soap-free, fragrance-free, pH balanced and suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin. I love that this does not dry my skin out and keeps it nice, fresh, soft and supple.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel.
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And the product links will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Like, share, comment, do all that good stuff. And the comment shout out goes to Sherry Gupta. Sherry, your comment really made me smile, so thank you for it. Really means a lot. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist, and clearly I don't see myself upon that list.